In this short video, I'm going to show you how to take data that's presented in a row, put it into StatCrunch, and convert it to a column of data. So first thing I want to do is copy the data. I'm not going to copy the X because I don't need that when I go into StatCrunch to work on my data. So I'm going to copy it, and I've got a blank file here, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. Now notice that each value here is in a separate row, and they've all got variable names. We want to put it in one column, so we're going to go to Data, Arrange, and Stack. And what it's going to do is going to stack the values on top of each other in a single column. I'm going to select all those variables. And now I've got a column with all the values in it, and I can use that column now to do whatever I want to do in StatCrunch. All right, let's go to another example. This time, instead of just one row, we have two rows of data. So we've got total fat and different kind of sweets at your donut shop. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the data just like I did before. And I'm going to go to my StatCrunch file, worksheet, copy the data in, same steps, data, arrange, stack. Same thing, I want to pick all those columns. And if you want to, you could actually open it in a new data file if that makes it a little cleaner for you. And then it'll bring it into a new data file. And the second column here has your data values, and you can go ahead and do whatever you need to do for your particular problem. All right, then I've got one more example, because this one, we have 4 rows, but the last row doesn't have as many data values in it. So let me show you what happens now. It's a little bit trickier. So we're going to copy the data into StatCrunch. Now notice, what happens when it stacks, it takes the first row here, and it's going to stack it, and then it's going to stack this row underneath of it, and so column underneath, and so forth. And what's going to happen is we're going to have a blank in the middle of the data set. So let me show you how to fix that. So go to Data, Arrange, and Stack, same commands. I'm going to pick all the columns, and I'm going to go ahead and stack them. Now notice, right here, I've got a blank, because that's where right below the 247. So I'm going to come all the way over here to the right side, click on that column, row, right click, and we want to delete that row. So now I don't have a blank in my data set, and I don't really need to delete the last row because when I do my summary statistics, it's only going to look at the cells with values in them. So now I've got my data values again in a single column, and I can do whatever I need to do for the particular problem. So hopefully this will help you as you're working on problems in StatCrunch when the data is not presented to you in a single column or several columns.